Hi, it's Molly Niles Renshaw, and this is part 1 of my 8-part series for postnatal recovery and getting back into shape. So first step is to talk about diastasis recti, and I'm going to show you a quick self-test to see if you have it. Now you should check with your doctor. Your doctor should really diagnose this, but I'm going to show you how you can test. And what is diastasis anyway? So you have your rectus abdominis, and this line down the middle is called the linea alba. It's just connective tissue. And in any pregnancy, the rectus abdominis stretches a lot. But in some, it actually splits apart. So it's not serious. It's actually very common. And you can repair yourself through just patience, time, and with the right exercises, which I'm going to show you as we progress. So let's get down to the test. We're going to go down to the mat. And you're just going to lie down on your back with your knees bent. So find your navel, and then you bring your fingers about 2 inches above your navel and then 2 inches below. You have to turn your hand sideways so you can see the width of your hand. Okay, so just totally relax your stomach. Now start to lift your head and exhale. You'll feel that line appear. Now, 1 finger or 1.5 fingers is totally normal. If you look down and 2 fingers is sliding right in that line, you probably have diastasis. If it's 3, you definitely do. And you should see your doctor about that. So let's do it one more time. Exhale, curl up. So you have that line. I have like barely not even 1 finger, so I didn't have this condition, but if you have more than 2 fingers, you're going to go see your doctor, and I'm also going to show you a bunch of exercises that you can do safely to begin to knit the abdominals back together. So you definitely don't want to do a lot of crunches. We just did that for the test, but the rectus abdominis, that will make the split even worse. So as we progress, I'm going to cue you a ton on your deepest abdominals, which are your transverse and the internal obliques. So that's how you test for diastasis.